Fossil Rim Wildlife Center is a 1,700-acre wildlife conservation facility and was the first of its kind to be accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums. Unlike other zoos and wildlife parks of our caliber, it receives no government subsidizing. We fund our conservation programs with tourism. Every dollar spent here and every cent donated goes to the care and future of our animals. Almost 250,000 people visit Fossil Rim every year to experience endangered and exotic animals in an idyllic setting. As a drive-through wildlife center, guests are immersed in the habitats of large herds of animals. This provides a rare opportunity to observe a large number of species in normal social and behavioral group sizes in a dynamic and appropriate environment. This unique structure enables this facility to specialize in the breeding and management of critically endangered species in order to support and sustain genetically viable populations as hedges against extinction, to increase public awareness, and for reintroduction programs. Additionally, Fossil Rim's research in species propagation is dramatically advancing the science of wildlife conservation. In 1989, a facility was built to provide an area for inner-city kids to get hands-on with domestic animals, view unique exotic species, and interact with animal care staff. The Children's Animal Center, or CAC, is located halfway through the drive at the Overlook. This is the only area within Fossil Rim where guests can exit their vehicles and walk around. The CAC is currently operating close to its original directive. This area houses many species of goats, birds, tortoises, pigs, and even a pair of wolves. What is needed is a redevelopment that will change this focus from simply a hands-on experience with domestic species to providing an interactive and educational experience for all visitors. A previous grant has allowed us to begin this change. The recent addition of 7 free-flight aviaries to house our current avian species is being constructed and allowing us to add Atwater's prairie chickens to the area. This is a start, but in order to achieve this goal, changes and additions to the CAC need to be made. Transformation of this area will provide greater opportunities for public and animal care staff to interact, present greater access to established birding and nature trails, highlight APC and other threatened native species, educate the public on research, conservation and captive breeding practices that occur at Fossil Rim, and provide a model for ecologically responsible water usage in the semi-arid environment of North Texas. This project will create an enhanced interactive and educational facility, not just for kids, but also for the inner child that Fossil Rim seems to bring out in adults. A child's need for a deep connection with nature is met in this interaction with animals. Fossil Rim Wildlife Center offers a one-of-a-kind experience and educational opportunity to all of its guests. This project will enable the CAC to contribute more fully to this endeavor.